Ouch! Sorry, Disgust, but we're gonna need a replay. Okay, Sadness, now it's your turn. Now you, Fear. Who's next? Joy, keep on smiling. Anger, and look, Disgust is here for round 2. Guess you can never run out of emotions. But that's not really good news for her. Well, at least her face is full of joy. Sort of. Next up, it's a gold-plated glitter box. Well, I guess not all that glitters is gold. That's because sometimes it's slime. And there's a cute little dog inside. Now who says let sleeping dogs lie? Especially when they're this squishy. But let's pop the squish out of him. Oh, this just isn't her day, is it? But maybe it's a blessing in disguise. Scoop up that gunk and add it to a balloon. Now twist it up into 2 little balls. Add to a cute kitty cat and get squishing. Popsicles! Happiness does come on a platter. Wait a minute, these are no ordinary popsicles. I think we need to do a little digging to see what's inside. Hold on, I think we've reached the treasure. It's Sadness, with some assembly required. I wonder who's in here. It's Joy. Wow, it looks like it's time for the Inside Out Ice Cream Social. Don't worry, we can use this block for our own treasure hunt. But first, let's decorate it with some glitter. Now start scraping until we reach the treasure. Okay, this is taking a while. This should speed things up. You know, maybe we can get crafty here. With a few twists, we've got a new catnap. Too bad he won't look like this for long. Time to check the toy box. This is new. In fact, I'm not sure what it is. Grab some hair. Aw, poor thing. Are you crying? Good. We can sure use all those tears. Any liquid, really. This thing's getting a dunk. What a metamorphosis! It's a penguin, a fluffy penguin. Of course, a comb can put those feathers into place. Now it's about time we accessorize. Aw, she's the cutest bird in her colony. Come on, cheer up. Let's wipe those tears. Hey, wait, we've got fluff of our very own. Let's roll it up into a ball and take it for a dip. Look, there's a bunch of special surprises inside. Put them all together, and it's Skibbity Toilet.
Skibbity dub 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 dub.
Hey, you hear something? It's a bird. Its mouth is wide open. It must be hungry. Why don't we buy some grub? Make that grubs. And our friend the woodpecker will be your server. Oh, a big one. Let's hope they taste better than they smell. Oh, you've got a little something on your beak. Here, you could use a napkin or a wet wipe. I think our little friend has earned a tip. Don't like gummy worms? Well, waste not, want not. You hungry? You're not alone. Watch out for that mosquito. That was fun. Let's do that again. First, let's collect some more slime. Add it inside some bubble wrap. Now add the bubbles on back of some paper bugs. And it's time to do some squishing. Of course, nothing beats the real thing. Cool. Just look at all those toys. And a flower pot? It could use a little water. Was I right or was I right? Look at that! Still, this carrot looks incomplete. That explains it. It already comes complete with a bunny. Aw, she's cute. But you know what'll make her cuter? Easy. Turning her into a glitter cannon. Maybe we can make our own toy. Something tells me that glove has potential. Push those fingers inside. Ugh, a cockroach. Well, no slime is bad slime. Roll it up. Now seal it up inside the glove. Next, place it inside this paper ketchup bottle. Think of it as a condiment that will never run out. Careful. Pretty sure it tastes like glove. It sure is hot. Let's keep cool with some delicious soda. What, is it stuck? Wait, no, it's slime! We can't drink it, but we can still have fun. Especially with the help of our two new friends. Why don't you slurp up some slime? Did you have your fill? Don't be silly. There's always more slime to enjoy. Don't worry, a paper cup can be just as fun too. Just make sure that it's clean first. Let's draw a cute little face on it. Well, it's a face. Now grab some cut up pieces of paper. Slide the tongue inside the mouth. Now squeeze it out. And look, this one matches yours. Anything good? Oh, a banana. Wait, that's no banana. Oh, it's a roly-poly shark ASMR toy. Wow, he squiggles just like a worm. Okay, let's pick him up. It's boogie time. He's got groove and he's got bite. But here, you can have a paper plane. Too bad planes don't separate spam. Well, we can put this paper to better use. Cut it to size and fold it in half. Keep on folding. Now cut along the middle. Now, tissues aren't the only paper with a little boogie in them. Of course, things are always better made with love. And now, we've got our own special fishy friend. You can take a fish out of the ocean. Oh, you know the rest. Ouch! There are just too many blocks. Of course, there's nothing wrong with blocks. Really, it's a quality versus quantity sort of deal. Uh-oh, now he's really angry. Oh, phew, it was all a dream. Time to clean the bathroom. Uh-oh, something's clogging up the toilet. Hold on, what is that? It's a TV man. Ew, that zit makes him look like a mole. And it looks like there's something inside it. Wow, it's a skibbity toilet Lego. And that's not all. Keep on digging, there's more parts inside. I guess there's some assembly required. Well, skibbity and toilet go hand in hand. Careful, I don't think these two get along. Don't think the fight's over just yet. Especially when there are lasers involved. Next up, the circus is in town, Lego style. You have to set up the tent, and pretty much everything else. Nothing wrong with a little artistic license.
Wow.
Still, we should probably match the heads to the bodies. Wait, someone's missing. Oh, there you are, Kane. But I think that body belongs to Kinger. Now everyone's back where they belong. This calls for an amazing digital dance party. Uh-oh, looks like Slimy the Snail's adrift without a paddle. Don't worry, Slimy, we're here to help. We can whip you up the perfect habitat. Now cover it up with some sticky glue. After all, it's just what we need to get some soil to stick. Next, we're gonna need some greens to plant. We'll make a tiny garden, complete with some company. Here, Slimy, why don't you take a look? He goes at his own pace, but he's got to roam. Ooh, looks like they're playing hide and seek. Would you look at that? Slimy's found you. Here, Slimy, you've earned a little reward. This should help contain the excitement. Ah, now this feels like a great day for a ride. You dropped something. An Easter Bunny Lego. But it doesn't really look like a bunny. Maybe we could add some extra parts. Something tells me this might take a while. Well, at least we've got the rabbit legs. Now all we need is the bunny head. Just make sure it's screwed on tight. Oh, don't forget the chocolate eggs. After all, an Easter bunny without eggs is just a bunny. we've sure had a lot of block-related incidents today. Does it hurt? Of course not. It's just a clamp. If you don't already have one, don't worry. You can always make one using the blocks. Slide it on your hand and practice your scream. Never underestimate a good sleight of hand. Ooh, what you watching? Uh-oh, something's wrong. You know what that means. I meant check the Wi-Fi. Well, in the meantime, let's have some fun with some big blocks. They're big, and they're gonna be high, too. Next up, we'll need a piece of paper. Slide it inside our 4 block towers. Now just add some light, and we can put on a show. Who knew that shadows made such great actors? Oh, I think the audience agrees. Nutella's great on the taste buds. Not so much on the teeth. Well, it's nothing a little brushing won't fix. Okay, we're gonna need to rethink this. Ooh, maybe this Lego car wash can help. First, let's try it out on this dirty car. Wow, it looks fresh from the dealership. Ooh, what's its secret? Oh, bristles. We just need something to stick it on. Ooh, maybe our little minifigs can help. It's a block toothbrush.
Cool.
Just add toothpaste. All you need now is a good brushing. You know, a little floss wouldn't hurt either. Is anybody getting a little déjà vu? Yeah, we should really clean these up. Hey, look, there's a Lego sheet underneath. Let's punch out a nice soul shape. Try it on for size. Make sure it's the smooth side. Now your feet should be feeling fine. They'll even help you pick up the blocks.
Wow.
Whoa, look, a Pop-It toy. Well, start popping. Careful with those nails. Well, at least you didn't break them. Well, maybe we should go back to basics. And by basics, we mean blocks.
Wow.
We can make a whole new Pop-It toy. But what are we gonna use for buttons? Oh, different colored blocks. They slide right in. Don't forget the best part. Give it a push. The blocks keep on sliding. Turn it around, and the fun can begin all over again.
Guys, pizza's here. Let's dig in. Anger, want some?
Oh, pizza is lame. No.
Oh, come on. Just a bite.
Give me that. Oh,
I know.
it's good.
Hey, Sad. Have some Coke. Okay. Let me pour it for you. Thanks. You will like it. Oh, everything is gonna be all right. Hey, let's dance.
It's not for me.
Die. Which one to eat? Oh, candy, of course. One yellow candy for me.
What was that all about? Sorry.
More. This is good. Feels a bit strange. Oh no, Joyce! Joyce is on the ground. Something's wrong with her.
Huh? Go check on her, quick!
What do we do?
Is she dead? I don't know. Let me check. Not good. No pulse.
No!
What to do then? I'm so pissed. Let's call the police.
Who called in the emergency? A dead body. You two, get up. Tell me, did you kill her?
No.
Did you? You.
Me? No. Did you?
Me? Don't be ridiculous. I'm the police. You're all under arrest. Until we get to the bottom of this, you'll stay in this jail.
What? No.
It's too much for me.
But we're innocent.
Not fair.
Enough whining. Stay calm and behave. Who's going first? This one.
I can't stay here. I can't.
I'm so mad I could spit nails.
We're stuck in here forever.
Okay, let's do this. Anger, come here.
Huh? What does he want?
Sit down.
So?
You're always angry. Maybe you had a reason to hurt Joy.
No, I did not kill her.
Well then, we shall see that.
What the heck is that?
This is just to help us get to the truth.
I don't like this. This party sucks. Lame. Ow, ow, ow.
I don't feel comfortable here.
Stop it!
But why?
I can smell your fear from here. That makes me angry. This party's cursed.
What happened to him?
It's annoying. He's always jittery and clumsy. I think he broke my piggy bank. What? My piggy bank! Ah!
Oh, I have an idea. Close your eyes.
Nuh-uh.
Anger, please. For me.
Fine, whatever. Make it quick.
Good. Do not pick, okay? Keep them close, because I'm gonna need your hands. Take a deep breath. It's almost done.
It feels weird.
Oh, there you go. All set. Open your eyes now. Squeeze the toys and concentrate in your breathing.
You know, this actually feels pretty good.
Glad you're calm now. Anxiety, come here. Try this out.
Can I join?
Well, okay, fine.
Sure. Thanks.
Go on then.
Let me try this puppet. Ooh, so soft and soothing.
See? I wouldn't hurt anyone.
Fine, you're cleared. But this isn't the end. Not guilty. Moving on. Yo, Sad!
Okay, coming. Hi, officer. It's so sad what happened to Joy.
Aw, it's okay. Don't cry. Here's some tissue. It's gonna be okay.
Thank you, officer.
It's alright. Now tell me, did you hurt Joy?
Oh, no. I wouldn't hurt her.
Really? Okay, time to go back to the memory lane.
What?
This helmet will tell us what really happened.
I just wanted to capture her smile. Maybe this will make her happy. Miss you, Joy. You're my best friend in the whole wild world.
Silly girl. Let's see what happens if I do this.
Fire!
You're such a crybaby.
It's all gone. Hey, Sadness. What happened? The drawing I made for you. Anger burned.
It was just a joke.
Oh, so what? Let's just take a photo of both of us. We'll make a selfie with this camera. Smile. Here, our selfies together. We look cute. Now we can write our names with the stickers. I have never heard such a thing. Just watch me. We got our names and more stickers to make it festive. We can also add more colors. I think you can help me with this. Oh, why'd you do that for? We shall see. We need some water. There's a watercolor palette. Sadness and Joy, best friends forever. Look, what do you think? This is for you as a token to our friendship. Oh, this is so beautiful. Anything for you, bestie. BFF. Always. She's my best friend. I wouldn't hurt her.
Alright. I believe you. Let's take this off.
Thank you, officer.
Okay, you can go. Why is it so sad? This job is tough. Focus. Not guilty. Okay, next. Anxiety. Hurry up, boy.
Coming, officer. Oh no.
Faster.
I'm here. Please don't be mad at me.
Alright, Anxiety. We need answers, and we need them now. We know you're hiding something. Spill it. What did you do to her?
I did nothing.
Let's see if you're telling the truth.
What is that?
You'll see.
So what if everything goes wrong? What if I mess up? I mean, it could happen, right? Bless you.
Sorry.
Gross.
Green, slimy booger.
I can't.
I didn't mean to.
I think I'm gonna throw up. I gotta leave. Sorry. Oops. Sorry, didn't see you there.
Sorry doesn't cut it.
Scram!
Okay. I'm in big trouble now. Poor little piggy bank. I'd better clean this before he sees it.
La. Hey, anxiety.
Hi, Joy.
Are you okay? What's happened? Oh, wait. What's wrong with her? You were acting weird too.
Well,
Hang on. Oh, it's just a broken piggy bank. What's done is done. We can change it now.
you sure about it?
Positive. Oh, how about trying something to calm everyone down? A little relaxation can do wonders. Some candles for a soothing glow. This will help us calm and centered. A little here, a little here. All right, try sitting down on the mat.
Okay, I'm sitting down.
Put your hands like this.
What's that?
Go on, do it. The other one too. Now breathe. You too, sadness. Deep breaths, everyone. Inhale and exhale. Slowly, just like that. Good. Keep going. Inhale and exhale.
I feel calmer now. This is working.
Ooh, you are doing great.
Well, looks like it didn't do anything to hurt Joy.
So, can I go now?
Yeah, you're free to go. Guess he's not guilty too. So who killed her then? It's getting trickier.
Hey, guys.
Hey,
Hi.
so what should we do now?
I don't know.
Why don't we check on her again?
You go check on her. Go on.
Guys, stop screaming.
You're older. You go first.
Hey, kid, go check on her.
Oh, they at it again. Hi, guys. What's going on?
Joy, you're alive.
We miss you.
Me too.
Oh, you guys. This is so sweet of you.
Wait, we thought you're dead.
You were asleep the whole time. I guess so. Oh, I ate this candy. Try it.
No thanks.
Tastes so good.
Nope.
And gets you a good sleep. Oh, a sleeping candy.
Well, obviously.
Oh, sleeping candy. Well, I'm so relieved. So glad to have you back with us.
I love you guys. This should be fun. Oh, what a nice day. The park sounds like a good whoa. My teeth. Whoa.
Who woke me up from my slumber?
No!
What a naughty kid!
What the? Where am I? I don't know. Where am I? No!
You are not allowed to leave unless you clean up.
Chores? But this is better than dishes, I guess. Our mops surely don't look like this. Oh, this is actually so cool. I'm gonna tell Mom to get me one of this. My room is gonna be spotless. No! Stop! One last ball, and I'm done. Whew, all in a day's work. All right, got any more for me? What are you doing? Me! Get me out of here! Hey! Knock it off! Take that!
Try again.
Oh, I will! Whoa. Blue! Oh, like you asked. Thank you! Oh, you're cute! You saved my what to do. I hope you like candy. What is candy? You have never had it? It's the best food on earth. You have to try it. Open up. That was yum. Let's go on walk. Okay. Where are you going? Not so fast. Keep up, will ya? I gotta go number 2. What the? Cotton candy. Oh, thank you, little piggy. It's delicious. Wow! My cotton candy. No! Why, you little... My lunch! Oh! Thank you! Oh, that's hot! Anyway, back to work. My poor cotton candy melted anyway. But no worries, I'll make my own sweet treat. It will be even better than before. Now let's add some whipped cream. You know what will make it even better? Sprinkles! Now I can finally eat. I could win MasterChef with this. Last bite. So tasty. I shouldn't have eaten that much candy. Did you just move or whatever?
Peekaboo!
Get back in there! Oh, I'll just DIY a toilet. I'll cut you. Literally. I'll cut it down all the way in the middle. Then put it all around the bucket. I need something to hold it up. This band-aid will do. Perfect. Come on.
La 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 la! Geronimo! Woo!
Don't mind the smell.
Ugh, using magic made me really hungry. Aha! My snack bucket! Huh, looks kind of different.
No! No!
Peekaboo!
What in the world? You interrupted my snack time,
What the? Stop! Problem? Help! Get off her! You gotta come catch me! Come back here! She's fast! Gotcha! Open up! Thank you! Let me clean you up. You definitely need help. I don't think that little cube brushed his teeth. Oh, you've got a high fever. I know just the thing. A little self-care didn't hurt anybody. Well, it surely won't hurt a cute doll like you. This will cool you down. It's ticklish! Let's check on your temperature. It worked! Now I can take care of you like a normal baby. I could use a day like this myself. That teeth man got me worked up like a dog. Good night, Mommy Pommy! Good night, small cute baby. Now you can sleep carefully. More snack! Yes, I'll feed you. Maybe you want some jelly? What is jelly? Oh, it tastes so much better than a baby. And it comes in all sorts of shapes, too. Definitely looks better than a baby. Doesn't it look delectable? Here, I'll put it in a bowl for you. But wait, there is more. I'll make some other shapes, too. I hope you like seafood. You probably don't know what that is, huh? Never mind. You guys need to go out more. How about some other shapes? This one is a bird. They don't usually go with noodles, but it looks fun to make. Now, what else? How about some fruits? Or other animals? Oh, this is making me hungry. Okay, focus. One bowl of noodles coming right up. Yum, 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 yum. Now, try it. Seriously? Oh, I got it. Here comes the airplane. Okay. Give me back my arm. Selfish girl. You stupid gloinks. Oh, the door is open. Wow. No, come back. What is that? You?
If you want to get out, you have to get the mouse out of the maze.
Is that so? I can do that. This maze seems easy enough. Let's go, Mickey. Carefully. No!
If you lose next round, you'll be stuck here forever.
Okay, I gotta be careful. Easy goes it. Just a little bit more. Yes, 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 yes. And we're out. I did it. I'm going home. Wow, that was awesome. Cinema? Wow, I need to see it.